रेल मंत्री सदानंद गौड़ा फिलहाल संबोधित कर रहे हैं। आइए वो क्या कह रहे हैं इस पटरी के बारे में, इस नए कामयाबी के बारे में, वो आपको सुनाता है।
सिंसियर प्रणाम टू द होली फीट ऑफ श्री माता वैष्णवा देवी। I am greatly honored to be here on this day to the Shri Mata Vaishnava Devi and to be a part of this historic occasion. Linking Shri Mata Vaishnava Devi Shrine with the Indian Railways network has been a dream for many, not only in this part of the country but for the whole nation. At this outset, I wholeheartedly thank the Honorable Prime Minister of India on behalf of Indian Railways for having come here and inaugurating this great facility of rail link to the holy place of Shri Mata Vaishnava Devi. The rail connectivity to this holy place of Katra will occupy a pride of place on the rail map of the country. The linkage will provide an opportunity to large number of pilgrims who had aspired throughout their life to visit this revered shrine of Shri Mata Vaishnava Devi through the comfort of railways. Visiting this revered shrine and seeking the goddess blessing is a dream of every devout pilgrim. The rail linkage will mark a milestone in the railways' efforts towards fulfilling the aspirations of common public. The state of Jammu and Kashmir occupies a special place in every Indian's heart. The state, which has been a birthplace of early civilization, is a mosaic of colorful and harmonious culture with vibrant social fabric. The linkage to the valley will enable every Indian to visit this wonderful place through the comfort of railways and appreciate the God's gift to this country. Rail transport in the country has brought economic and social development, leading to greater economic growth by opening new avenues of employment, trade and industrial development. I am sure the railway connectivity to Katra will provide better opportunities for local artisans, traders and students community. Under the able and effective leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Prime Minister of India, this valley of Kashmir will be heralded with a new hope and development in all spheres of governance and the state in toto. The rail link is a triumph of every Indian spirit to overcome the arduous hurdles of nature for reaching the people in this far-flung area. The rail link is a result of many aspirations and dreams of the people of this country and had been made possible through tremendous perseverance and hard work of not only the railway workforce but for many other supporting organizations who have worked day and night to fulfill this dream. Technically, this 26-kilometer long Udhampur-Katra rail link was a challenge as more than 40% of the route is on tunnels having 7 major bridges and steep curves. To conquer the hilly Shivalik ranges, innovative approaches were adopted to ensure higher standards of operations and safety. My salutations to every officer, engineer and staff of Indian Railways and all the persons who contributed through their sweat and labor for their commendable job in executing this project. The rail project has enabled permanent jobs for 700 persons whose land was taken over for the project. As part of the project, 235 kilometers approach roads to work sites have been constructed, which will provide road connectivity to far-flung villages in the state, benefiting huge rural population of the state. I am aware that since Katra to Banihal railway project is yet to be commissioned, full railway connectivity to Kashmir Valley is currently unavailable. To overcome this missing link, Railways has planned to bridge this link through road facility in collaboration with Jammu and Kashmir State Road Transport Corporation. This facility will enable direct connectivity between Srinagar and rest of India to commuters. Earlier, the introduction of rail services in Kashmir Valley has been a great success, and considering the huge demand, railways have not only enhanced the carrying capacity of demo trains from 8 to 12 coaches, but have also planned 4 more pairs of enhanced services in Kashmir Valley, thereby providing safe, affordable and comfortable option of transport to the people of this state. I am also happy to announce that 3 pairs of train services currently between Jammu and Udhampur will be extended up to Katra. The railway has planned to run 3 pairs of express trains from New Delhi, Kalka, Ahmedabad, Mumbai and Bangalore. Indian Railways is committed for ensuring a balanced development of different regions of the country through railway transport. With the opening of railway linkage and by increasing the frequency of rail services, I am sure there will be a definite thrust to development in Jammu and Kashmir, enabling economic development and greater investment opportunities. I am grateful to His Excellency the Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Shri Voraji, Honorable Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Shri Omar Abdullah ji, my colleagues Dr. Jitendra Singh ji and Manoj Sinha ji for their valuable time. On this occasion, I am very much thankful to the Honorable Prime Minister for being a part of this momentous occasion, as his presence and guidance will encourage us to fulfill its commitments to the people of this country and especially the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you. Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं माननीय रेल मंत्री श्री डी.वी. सदानंद गौड़ा जी का।